Come test drive the 2018 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power sunroof, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, Sirius satellite radio, roof rail crossbars, 7-passenger seating including front bucket seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.